Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Redefining the very definition of mobile luxury, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Royal Edition Motorhome marks an unparalleled entry into the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle market. Although Rolls-Royce's history is deeply anchored in custom cars, this audacious move into RVs is a daring dedication to bringing their unmatched levels of exclusivity, craftsmanship, and tranquil luxury to a whole new level of travel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Royal Edition Motorhome's large yet elegantly carved exterior would surely draw notice. Inspired by the marquee's unique design language, it would have a grand Pantheon grille with custom LED lighting on either side that exudes classic grandeur. The coachwork would be painstakingly handmade from the best materials, maybe including lightweight composites that are incredibly robust, and finished with Rolls-Royce's renowned deep, glossy paints, which would be applied in several careful layers. Its distinguished ancestry would be indicated by subtle yet recognizable spirit of ecstasy emblems that will grace numerous exterior features. With custom alloy wheels finishing off its magnificent posture, the vehicle's proportions would be designed to express both grandeur and a startling fluidity, belying its significant bulk. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Royal Edition Motorhome exudes an air of unmatched sophistication from the moment one walks in. The interior would be a masterpiece of custom luxury, expertly built by craftspeople at the highest level of their trades. Every surface would have an exceptional tactile and visual quality, from the soft, hand-stitched leathers made from the best hides to the exotic woods that have been painstakingly veneered and the cool-touch metal embellishments. The term Royal Edition suggests a degree of customization that goes beyond even standard Rolls-Royce products. A private master suite with an ensuite bathroom that features fine marble and custom fixtures. A state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen with integrated, high-end appliances, and possibly a grand salon are examples of bespoke interior arrangements. The seamless and intuitive integration of technology would be intended to improve comfort and convenience without being conspicuous. Climate control, entertainment, and sophisticated connection would be managed by a custom infotainment system that could be operated by voice commands or a discrete, tactile interface. Privacy would be crucial, and electrochromatic glass's rapid opacity and advanced soundproofing would create a completely calm space that would keep residents isolated from the outer world. Beneath its stunning facade, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Royal Edition Motorhome would be supported by a sturdy, specially designed chassis that would provide the brand's renowned magic carpet ride. Regardless of the terrain, a strong yet whisper-quiet powertrain, likely a painstakingly tuned V12 engine, would provide effortless propulsion, guaranteeing smooth acceleration and peaceful travel. By shielding the interior from road irregularities, advanced suspension systems, possibly self-leveling air suspension with predictive capabilities, would further improve ride comfort. In addition to being a means of transportation, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Royal Edition Motorhome would serve as a mobile haven, providing affluent customers with the pinnacle of luxury travel. It would establish itself as the new premium luxury motorhome, and, in fact, one of the most opulent vehicles ever imagined, redefining the standards for luxury, comfort, and exclusivity in the recreational vehicle industry.